1999 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. 1999 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am engine, 5.7-liter V8. Transmission, 6-speed MT. Power, 305 horsepower. Torque, 330 lb-ft. Pontiac's most collectible Firebirds tend to come from the 1960s and 1970s, which means those produced after 1980 are usually much more affordable. While many fourth-generation Firebirds make for solid budget-friendly options, the 30th Anniversary Edition Trans Am built for 1999 is a notable exception, pushing values higher than you might expect. Limited to just 1,600 units, this anniversary special stood out immediately thanks to its distinctive Arctic white paint scheme with bright blue stripes, a nod to Pontiac's legendary heritage. The package also included blue-tinted 17-inch wheels, unique badging, white leather seats with embroidered logos, and a serialized dash plaque that made every car feel truly special. Under the hood, buyers got the 5.7-liter LS1 V8, rated at 320 horsepower, paired to either a 6-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. While performance couldn't quite match the ultra-rare SLP Firehawk, the Anniversary Trans Am was still one of the quickest American performance cars of its day, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times in the low 5 seconds and quarter-mile runs in the high 13s. Values reflect its blend of exclusivity and performance. Classic.com records the average sale price at $32,221, while Haggerty estimates excellent examples at $37,100 and pristine concourse cars at $51,100. For collectors, this makes the 30th Anniversary Edition a sweet spot. Rare enough to stand out, but still attainable compared to earlier Trans Ams or ultra-limited Firehawks. Today, the 1999 30th Anniversary Trans Am represents not only one of the most desirable late-model Firebirds, but also a celebration of Pontiac's muscle car legacy, a true modern collectible from the brand's final golden era.